In this quick video, I'll show you how to check battery health in laptop Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So to check our battery, we need to go to settings of our Windows 11. For that, I'll simply search here settings. Once you open settings app in your computer, now under system, go to power and battery. Here you can see, I can see my battery percentage and my battery usage here. If we click on view detailed info, then we can track our battery usage, but there is no option such as battery health, so we cannot check our battery health from here. So in that case, what we need to do is firstly go back from here and close the settings tab and search on your Windows 11 PowerShell. Once you search it, click on Windows PowerShell and it will open this command prompt. Here we need to type a command which will be given in description. You can copy it and paste it here. The command is this. I just need to copy it in my computer and then paste it on our Windows PowerShell command. Once you paste it, you can read here battery life report saved to this path. So all we need to do is copy this path and open File Explorer in your computer. Once you open it, tap on the empty area on your file path. Once you type it, now paste the file path here. Once you paste it, it will redirect you to Chrome, and here you can see my battery report. And this was the capacity of my battery when it was new, and currently my battery capacity has been reduced to this number. So to calculate our battery health, we need to divide full charge capacity by design capacity and multiply it by 100, and then you can find your battery health, which is 70% in my case. So this is how you can get your battery capacity for your laptop. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.